Like if she was like a 2-year-old.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're not only done working this beautiful Montero Sport, and I'm really happy to say that. Finally, after a really long time. But in life as well. Today we're going to talk about my first 1-star rating on Uber. Now this was a while ago, I think it was. So, I was in Manhattan, of course. I was in Manhattan and I dropped off somebody in Madison Square Garden in 7th Avenue and 32nd Street, right in the middle. So then I get another call right in then that this passenger was on 29th and 7th. I'm like, okay. So I'll go down there in just a few seconds. I get there in front of the building on the right side and I hit arrive. Of course, there was nobody there. Nobody was walking up to me. No text, no nothing. I'm like, okay. I assumed that it was coming down. So then, like a few seconds after that button came up for a no-show, I get a text. Where are you? I'm like, oh no, please. Not one of these calls. But then I was like, you know what? Things happen. Maybe they're going to the airport or something, you know, and they're running late. Things happen. So I understand. I was like, I'm right in front of the building. And I asked, where are you? And then she says, I don't see you. I'm like, oh boy. I should have canceled right then and then. But I'm still giving them the benefit of the doubt. He said, I don't see you. I'm right in front. I'm like, ma'am, I'm right in front. I don't see you. I'm right in front of the building. You said that you wanted to be picked up. And then she said, I'll be right there. And I'm like, I thought you said that you was in front too, that you couldn't see me. So mind you, I'm on the right side, and here she comes from the left side of the street, crossing the street, meaning that she wasn't even near me or the building that she put down as a pickup. But anyway, things happen, whatever. Then as she getting in, the first thing that she says is, I'm running late. Get me there as fast as you can. I'm like, oh brother. Like really? You like 4 minutes past your no-show and then you're demanding for me to get you there as fast as possible? Break the law for you? Like, come on, man. So I'm like, the GPS says I'll be there in 17 minutes. Is that cool? It's like a rhetorical question. And then she says, oh, just take the fastest route. So she was going to 57 between 7th and 6th, and I was on 7th, so you need to make that left, go up 6, and then make that left, and then you're between 7th and 6th, and she was going to 57, which is the millionaire's row or billionaire's row where most of the rich people live. I turned that first left to go up 6, and I get stuck in the block between 7 and 6. So we stayed there for a good like 8 minutes, just not moving. I'm pretty sure it was a truck unloading something. But again, this is out of my hands. This is just traffic. This is New York City, right? She don't say anything. Then we go up 6th Avenue. It was a crawl at times, and it was running at times. So then I make that left on 57th Street and I asked her, because you know she's in a hurry, and do you need me to make a U-turn and leave you in front of the building, because she was on the left side going east and I was turning left like going west. So she said, oh no, don't worry about it. So then I pull over and she gets out. You know, she didn't complain on the way there. So then I look back into her seat and I see this mess of cookies that she left. Like if she was like a 2-year-old. An hour or two later, I'm like, let me check my rating. And Lord and behold, I have my first 1-star rating. And I know it's her because I've never had a 1-star rating. And she was the only one that demanded something that day. The coincidence is just too much. And back then, they didn't have like the rules that they have now, which you can't hold it against the driver if there's traffic. So that's my story. That's my first time getting a 1-star rating. Now, if you have a 1-star rating and you're pretty sure of who did it, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read it because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something stupid. because it's never like a legit 1-star unless you're like a really bad driver, you know, nasty, you know, have really loud music, when they have a headache and stuff like that. Until next time, guys, if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. And until next one, guys, God bless. Subscribe.